Okay, so here's the deal. I'm totally ripping off Thomas's idea about the lazy status deal because I think it's cool and it's like the surefire way to get all the ladies I hear. Am I right? But no, seriously. So what is on my mind? That's the question that is asked at the Facebook status entry deal. I'll tell you what's on my mind. Math is on my mind. You know why? Because I have to do my math homework tonight. That's not too bad because I actually get it this time. But no. Besides that, Slash is in Guns N' Roses? Really? I had no idea. Like, seriously, I thought he was just some, like, solo guitarist dude. No! He's in Guns N' Roses. And, like, I had no idea because he doesn't seem like the type of, sweet child of the mind. I don't know. He seems like more like heavy metal. Yeah! Bang the head type of. I don't know. Is that just me? Oh, boom, light bulb. But no, seriously, our lights just like short out sometimes, then come back on randomly. Doesn't my face look so much sexier now? Oh my gosh. No, but seriously, yeah. Yeah, so that'll do it for today's lazy status deal. Shout out to you, Thomas, for the wonderful idea. Yeah. Yeah, so thanks for watching.